I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see.
It looks something like this.
My name is Dante Bruce.
My name is Eric Larson.
My name is Drew Williams.
Hello, my name is Jack O'Neill.
Our app was called MeanBuild, and it is an automation tool that builds applications with the Mean stack.
We saw that there was a problem in the industry when it comes to creating full stack application. That problem was a lot of time being wasted on just the setup process.
We can't predict what a web developer is going to make his website about, but we're pretty confident that it will involve accessing a database.
So something that you used to take hours to set up, you can now do in less than 5 minutes.
The idea for this app came from Dante Bruce.
His suggestion was to develop an application that would work for the developer.
I was wanting to build an app that we could either use or potentially monetize in the future.
My specific role in this application was creating the login and registration and just helping with the development process in general.
My job was to set up, in conjunction with one of the other team members, Eric, the front end where we designed all the buttons that were used, the layout, the carousel on the home page, and picked all the colors and the functionality of the app itself.
I also played a hand in developing the file structure, which is something that's downloaded to your machine, which will help you develop the application much easier.
I worked on the program that was downloaded, and there wasn't much overlap. I was so busy working on what I was working on, I just had to have confidence that the rest of the guys were doing a good job, because I didn't have time to look over their shoulder or to give them much help with what they were doing. And the same in reverse.
The best part about coming here to Coder Camps is simply the availability of all the instructors willing to lend their ear if you need help at any time.
You're given the fundamentals, and the instructors here will push you to build something far and beyond what you were taught, and to build something that is useful to either end users or developers.
When I first created the command line interface program, I designed it with one entity and one database model. And near the end, with like maybe a week to go, the instructor says, well, that's pretty good, that'll pass. But you know what would be really good is if you made it for any number of entities, any number of databases. And I'm like, yeah, I agree, that would be really good, but there's no way. It took me several days for each portion of this program or project. We only got a week to go. There's, I mean, yeah, it would be really cool, I agree, but I planned on testing all next week. And in 2 days, I did it. I added multiple entities and multiple databases. And it's like, I didn't believe that was possible 2 days previous. But then it was, and it's like, wow, I'm kind of proud of this application now.